Here is another example, and in this example we are to find the value of 2 pi square root of L over G when pi equals 3/1/7, L equals 98, and G equals 32. Solution. Let's write that out. Let's represent it with something. Let's say T equals 2 pi root of L over G. Now, when the values we are given, pi equals 3/1/7, and 3/1/7 to improper fraction gives us 3 times 7, 21, plus 1, 22/7. So when pi equals 22/7, L equals 98, and G equals 32. Let's substitute inside here. So that means we'll be having T, what we represented as our 2 pi root of L over G, would be equal to 2 times pi 22/7 times the square root of 98, which is L, over G, which is 32. Then from here, 2 times 22, we're having 44/7 multiplied by, now here we can divide out. 2 is a common factor for both the numerator and denominator. So 2 goes in 98, 2 goes in 9, that's 4, remainder 1. 2 goes in 18, 9, so we have 49. Same thing for the denominator. 2 goes in 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 goes in 12, 16. So we'll be having root of 49/16. That is, T becomes equal to 44/7 multiplied by, now when you take the square root of 49, this is the same thing as having root of 49 over root of 16. And from here, that gives us 44/7 multiplied by root of 49. Give me a number so that when you multiply it by itself, give me back 49, and that is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. So the square root of 49 is 7 over root of 16, that's 4, because 4 multiplied by 4 will give us 16. So we have 4. And don't forget that whenever you have this, take the square root of a particular positive number, it will be plus or minus. So we have plus or minus 7/4 for this side. Then here, 7 goes in 7 here, 1. 7 goes in 7 here, 1. 4 goes in 4, 1. 4 goes in 44. 4 goes in 4, 1. 4 goes in 4, 1. So we have 11. 11 times 1, 11, over 1 times 1, 1. So we have 11 over, which is the same thing as 11. And don't forget our plus or minus. So we have plus or minus 11. So therefore, 2 pi root of L over G would give a value of 11 if pi equals 3/1/7, L equals 98, and G equals 32. And that's how to find the value. Thank you.